Hi everybody! Today we're going to see how I draw Rainbow Smash. So pencils first and then Sharpies. So if you don't want to watch the pencil portion of the video, look in the description and you will see a link to click on to take you to the Sharpie portion of the video. So for now, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself and then I'll switch over to Sharpie. So how's it going? Those of you that stuck around. The rest of you are dead to me. I'm just kidding. I just want to make you laugh. Okay, so shouldn't be too much to this one, right? I think I'm going to use a Sharpie. I think I'm going to use a straight edge. I'm going to grab a little ruler just for that stick, just to make it nice and smooth. What's funny is I should use one for the circle too, a stencil, but that part I'm not going to. I don't know why. That's not that important to me. Go figure. Okay, let's see. This is almost done. There's not much to this. Let's see. Okay, so let me add a few more little details real quick. And then we'll switch over, so it shouldn't take us too long to do this one. Okay, so I got to draw the horn. Okay, so like that, and there's the horn. Okay, I think I'm ready to switch over to Sharpie. So I'm going to use a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen. Mostly the fine point, but I'm going to use the Sharpie pen to get some finer points than the fine point. Go and figure, right? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to start with the bridles first, and that'll start to give us some edges to work with, okay? So I'm going to start with this inside bridle here and then work my way out. So I'm going to come out here and I'm going to kind of go around. I'm following my sketch. That's why I can do it like this and know exactly where I am, because the sketch that I did is guiding me to where things are going to be. So that's why I can just float stuff. And so one day you'll be able to do this. You'll be able to just float it on your own because you'll be sketching on your own. That's the ultimate goal, right? To be able to do it yourself. And what I think I want to do is I think I'm going to use the Sharpie medium pen. This one's finer. I'm going to use a medium pen for the ring in the bridle, just to make a nice contrast of thick versus thin. Okay, so I'm trying to keep it like in a little circle, something like that. Might not be perfect, but it's getting the point across. Okay, so you see what I mean there? How this is thinner than this line. So, ooh, I'm gonna do this too. Yeah, there we go. So it makes a nice contrast and stands out a little bit. It makes your drawing a little bit more unique. So not quite a perfect circle, but that's okay. This is my drawing. This is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the mouthpiece. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what it's called inside the bridle. To keep us going. So now I'm just going to kind of connect the dots, because now I have start-stop points, and that's the most important part. Okay, so I'm going to do the bottom jaw. I'm going to come back into the mouth bridle part, draw those teeth, and now I can draw the top lip and move up towards the top part of the head, like that. And it's going to kind of come down. It's a little indented because of bridle, so I kind of got it pushed a little bit, or they've got it pushed a little bit. That's why it looks like that. So now from here, I'll just follow it to the back, and let's just go ahead and draw the whole thing. Since we're here, let's just finish it up, right? Draw it across like that, and come up here to that part. There. And so now let's draw the eyeball. Again, just try to make a circle. If you can't make a perfect circle, that's okay. I can't. See? Look at that. No big deal. And just draw the pupil and go ahead and color that in. And let's draw the ears. let's see. It's hard for me because I can't move my paper. And you know how when you're drawing you can move your paper around? Mine's taped down, so I can't do that. I kind of have to move around with the Sharpie. Alright, I'm going to bring that ear back down here to this side. And okay, so here, let's draw the horn since we're right here. Now, what I did is I sketched out like the little bumps so I know where they're going to be. So I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to go to the bump, up like that. Bump, flat, and go to the cross like that. Now the reason I'm doing that is because I'm just kind of making it stand out to make it look like that little bump is there, and you'll see why in a second, because I'm going to use the thinner Sharpie to connect it, and it's not really like that, it's more colored than anything else, but it's going to make it a good contrast, like I was showing you before, the thick versus thin, kind of like a birthday candle, like that. Now see how it kind of stands out, thick versus thin? That's just the fun stuff you could do with different kinds of thickness with pens. Alright, so let's finish up the hair here. Let's draw the mohawk. It's going to come from the top of the head behind the ear and kind of go up like this, and it has a couple of breaks in it, so I'm going to draw one of them right here, and I'm going to draw the other one right there. Again, following my sketch so I know where that is. I can play along with it. So I'm going to do another one here like this, and again following my sketch so I know where I'm going. Another one like that, another one like that, and I think I'll do another one like that just to kind of break up where that's going. Okay, so here I'm going to have it flowing perfectly, no breaks, to that point. And then I'll draw another one like this, and I'm going to draw a little step like that. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not even going to break it up. So here, another break like that, and then finish the hair like this. So now I can bring this down and whip it like that, a little whippy. Let's draw another ear back behind here, just like this, like that. Okay, perfect. All right, so now we're just going to draw the, I guess, collar. I don't know what you're going to call it. Like that. All right, so now I really should do it back here like this because of the way it's tilted, because now it's going to be kind of an odd angle. So let's do that. I'm just gonna follow with what I'm doing. Sketch be damned. I'm going with what I got. I'm going to follow my heart. Okay, and I think I'm going to stop right about there, bring it down, and do the same thing. Just draw another line like that. I like that much better because see, I had it going here, but the way this was flowing, it worked much better for me like that. So now I'm just going to come down here like this, and again just kind of draw a circle for the wheels. If you can get it perfect, great. If you can't, you're riding the same bus as me. Okay, so can you see my little sketch right there? That's where we were before. I'm going to erase it so it doesn't get into the picture whenever I color it in. So, okay, I said we take care of the rest. There is detail right there, but I'm going to do that with color. So let's take care of the rest with color, and that is Rainbow Smash. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.